Hello, I'm Chantal Nicholson, Chef Patron of Treadwells in London, and today I'm going to show you how to make one of my favourite things, triple cooked chips, homemade. So we're going to start with our potatoes. A Maris Piper or a King Edward or a great chipping potato is what we need, something not too starchy but also not too soft. So we're just going to start by peeling these. So once the potatoes are peeled, we're going to trim them up and chop them into long chips, about 14 millimeters in diameter. We want the chips an even thickness so they all cook together at the same time. So we need to give these a good rinse to get all the starch off them, and then we're going to steam them. So pop them in the steamer, single layer, so they cook all evenly at the same time for about 8 to 12 minutes to start with, then we're going to test them. So keep checking the chips partway through until your knife goes through without any resistance. Then they're ready. Drain off as much of the water as you can. And we're going to pop them into a container and freeze them. You want to freeze them until they're solid through, but they can stay in there for a couple of days, no problems. What it does is just dries them out, so when you fry them off, they get extra crispy. So we've got our frozen chips, which we're going to blanch in hot oil, 150 degrees, so not quite as hot as you would normally fry, for a bit longer till they get a little touch of goldenness on them. Just be careful with the hot oil. So after 8 to 10 minutes in the oil at 150, they're ready to come out, and we'll pop them in the fridge again to dry out just a little bit further. So our chips have had their second cook, now it's on to their third cook to make them triple cooked chips. The oil we've turned up to 180 degrees, so a bit hotter this time. It's just going to take a few minutes to get them nice and crispy on the outside. So as you can see, they're really golden now and they're going to be super crispy. So we're going to take those out, pop them into absorbent paper. And it's important to season them straight away so that the salt sticks to them whilst they're still hot. And there we have our triple cooked chips.